My name is Ben Montet, and I'm a lecturer at UNSW. I'm originally from the US, and I went to university originally for aerospace engineering. Knew pretty quickly I didn't want to make a career out of that, and decided to take some courses and things I thought was interesting. Really enjoyed my physics course. Thought, oh yeah, physics, that's something people make a career, that's a job. And when I officially became a physics major, got invited to join in a research project with one of the professors there who studied black holes. It was summer vacation scholarship type thing. I knew I probably wanted to stay on campus, but I didn't, I planned to have one of these stereotypical college jobs like delivering pizzas or something. This sounded way more fun than that, black holes, yeah, sure. And I kind of fell in love with it from there. Really enjoyed that research project. Did a couple other research projects along the way and have been having fun ever since, and so kept doing astronomy. So my research is on finding planets around other stars and developing new methods to understand those stars' activity. So things like star spots, flares, magnetic cycles, and what that can tell us about habitability. It's a really fun time to be working on this right now because of missions like Kepler and TESS, these big NASA missions that have observed millions of stars kind of regularly over months to years, give us so much data, like way more data than anyone can really feasibly look at individually. So it's a chance to use big data methodology, machine learning techniques to understand what we can about planets across the universe. It's a field that's grown over my life. The first planets were discovered in 1995. We didn't know anything about planets outside of our solar system 25, 30 years ago. And now we discover about a planet a day on average. And that number is only going to increase over the next few years. So it's a really dynamic time to really be answering fundamental questions about how normal is our sun, how normal is the Earth, what do planetary systems look like, where might we think we should be looking for life, and are there planets there that could support it? So it's a really, really exciting time to be in this field. The thing I would recommend to a first-year student who's interested in astronomy is to get involved in things. Go see what's going on in the department. People are really friendly around here. So talk to your lecturers, find out what they work on when they're not teaching, what kind of research they do, what other research is going on in the school. There's lots of events that are held by the Physics Society and other societies to meet some of the researchers and hear about what they work on. And try things out. There's really great opportunities to do short-term projects in the school, things like Step into Research or Taste of Research, where you can spend 10 weeks working in a group and get a small taste of what it would be like to work in that field. Or just ask people like, hey, can I come to your group's weekly meeting and hear the things that your students are working on and what they find interesting, and just try to picture yourself in that environment. Think about, is this something that's is exciting to me that I would really want to spend more time working on, and try it out and see. Don't say no to things. Try it out, see what happens, and if you like it, awesome, and if you don't, try something else out.
Can you say something? Say
it. I refuse.
Is it on?
I don't think I actually turned it on. No, it is on.
No, it's
Can you hear me?
Yep.
But I didn't say something. You sure?
She just did.
Ah, you got me.
It's not the camera.
Did you just do what I think you did? Did you just stab?
No, I didn't.